It's cute kid cooking. What are we gonna make today? Do you know?
Cookie.
Yeah, we are gonna make what's supposed to be the original Nestle's chocolate chip cookie recipe. And I just hope I have all the ingredients I actually need. Emma prefers this mixing bowl today. So we preheated the oven. Yeah, to 375 degrees to get things started. All right. Flour is first, Miss Emma. You ready for some flour? No. And we're also gonna have to melt some butter. You like melting butter, don't you? Oh, please let there be enough flour. Ready? Here we go. We're gonna do 2 1/4 cups of flour according to our recipe. Okay, put that in. We'll do that another time. Okay. Alright. That again. Get one little 1/4 cup. That one's ready. It won't be a while though, but just in time. Alright, throw that in there. Ta-da! We have enough. You're gonna mix it? Alright, we're gonna put baking soda into it next. Emma, you know what we forgot again? Put on our aprons. Should we get them on or should we just wing it? Wing it. Alright, baking soda, 1 teaspoon.
It's okay if you don't get messy.
It would be wonderful if we didn't get messy. 1 1/2. Another half. Alrighty. See, miss? We need salt. We have salt. If you watched our salt dough, salt acquired. Open here. We need a teaspoon of salt.
Can I do it?
Yeah,
And then
let it snow in there. One more. It looks like sugar too, doesn't it? Oh, it does not taste sweet like sugar. Good stuff. Alright, we're going to mix that around. Sound good? Okay.
We put eggs in it.
First, Emma, we're going to have to melt some butter. So we'll be back after we do that. We've got 2 sticks of butter. Soften. I melted it. It's hot. Don't touch.
But I'm strong.
Okay. Some of it's still clumpy, so that's good. We have 3/4 cups of granulated sugar. Or in theory we do, because I didn't actually have 3/4 cups all the way. But we're about to put in brown sugar. I'm going to get this hot thing out of here. Alright, now, and this all is in a different bowl apparently. Here, you need actually this bad boy. Because you need to make sure it gets all fluffy.
I'll put this away.
Put it right there. Alright, let's get your brown sugar, 3/4. Alright. Packed. Brown. Doesn't say it has to be light or dark. So we'll just go with the light for now. Need a good spoon for this, I imagine. Or we could just do this. Okay. Got pretty tight in here. That's one ringy dingy. Ooh, it came out fast, didn't it?
I'm gonna pause and make it back.
I can help you.
But I hear them say,
Oh, I know you can.
because it's fudge now.
Do you like chocolate chip cookies? Yeah? I'm sure there are some people who probably don't. There are people who don't like chocolate. Can you believe that?
What? But I like chocolate.
Oh, yeah. You got a big old sweet tooth. You big, big, big. All right, last one. We gotta make it fluffy, it says. Alright, we're gonna fluff and stuff this stuff, and then I believe it'll be time to mix. Now, are you making a love potion cookie for Prince Ben? Is that what you do?
No.
I think you are.
Just kidding.
I know, I'm
Just kidding.
We're gonna add 2 eggs, one at a time, into the sugar or butter mixture, and we added vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon.
Can I do it?
Yep, you can. Good.
I did it.
You did. Perfect. We're gonna have to wash our hands after this. All right, mix that in real good. You gonna poke it?
I'm trying to, it's so slippery.
If you just start stirring, it'll get in there. Just really go for it. It's just sitting in there, so cute. Crush it. There you go. And now just spin around. Go crazy. Now you're doing great. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, you ready for a second one? What? Oh, okay, vlog. Well, I'll see you in a bit. We're going to add another egg into this and then mix in that into that.
How I did it?
How about it? Perfect. Beautiful. I'll crack her open. Okay, there are shells in there. Alright, let me get it. Oh, golly.
Your kitchen's gonna get wet.
I know it. Got it. Alright, that's disgusting.
Go get your hands.
We both need to get our hands. Vlog, we'll be back. Alright, 2 cups of chocolate chips, huh? Are you sprinkling them in? Oh, guys, that looks good. We don't have quite 2 cups, but I feel like we're gonna be okay. Should we put in some white chocolate chips, just like as a sweet surprise?
Yeah.
That'll be fun. Alright, sounds good, Mal.
Let's do that.
Okay. Okay, let's do that.
This is gonna be really funny.
Yeah, it is.
That's gonna be so funny.
Yeah. I swear, I am not trying to ruin every single one of these recipes just to get like clicks, because we don't get clicks, so it doesn't matter. But how does someone ruin chocolate chip cookies? I certainly can. They are looking real sketchy in the oven, let me tell you. They only have to cook for like 9 to 11 minutes, but they look like a gooey, yucky mess. Not like yummy gooey cookies, like, no. Like, I don't know. Is that okay? Maybe. They're just gonna be like one big thing. We'll find out. And there they are. I made them way too big. I used too big of a cookie scooper. That's my bad. But they don't look terrible, actually. Emma, did we do a good job? Mm-hmm. Yeah, they got all squished together. That's okay, though. I'm sure they'll still be yummy. I probably cooked them too long, too, but that's okay, too. They definitely are going to be chocolatey. Nothing wrong with that. Okay, guys, so that's another cute kid cooking, chocolate chip edition. Sorry, the lighting is terrible. All right, remember to subscribe, hit the thumbs up button if you enjoy watching Emma cooking, and we'll see you in another kitchen adventure sometime, because adventure is out there, and there was a Descendants moment, so Disney is just a dream away. Alright guys, we will see you probably for Family Adventure Friday. Still not sure what to do, so suggestions are always welcome. You could go to our Facebook page, Just Dream Away 1971, and maybe leave us some ideas of what we can do in the Cincinnati area. It's going to be a little bit cold on Friday, so we'll have to think of something indoors. But we're going to have lovely weather before that, so I'm super, super excited. Alright guys, have an adventure wherever you are at. Find that Disney reference. Make yourself happy. We'll see you later. Bye friends!